someone who may be about to become the richest prison inmate in the United States. The former head of Binance has been sentenced to 4 months in prison.
That's right. Well, a judge in Seattle has handed a prison sentence to Changpeng Zhao, the billionaire founder and former CEO of the world's largest crypto exchange, for violating U.S. money laundering laws.
Former CEO and founder of Binance sentenced to 4 months and faces 36 months in prison for money laundering. Changpeng Zhao has been caught up in significant legal troubles, leading to a sentencing recommendation of 36 months in prison and a whopping $50 million fine by federal prosecutors. The charges against Zhao involve violating money laundering laws under the Bank Secrecy Act. Stay tuned as we break down the high stakes, the charges, and what this could mean for the future of crypto trading. Binance to pay $4.3 billion in penalties and CZ paying $50 million out of his pocket. In a dramatic twist that sounds more like a Hollywood thriller than real life, Changpeng Zhao, fondly known as CZ in the crypto community, finds himself at the center of a legal storm. Once celebrated as a pioneer in the digital currency world, CZ's Binance, the giant of cryptocurrency exchanges, has been under the microscope for allegations that shake the very foundation of its empire. What's at stake? A staggering $4.3 billion in fines paid by the exchange, and CZ himself hit with a personal fine of $50 million. But how did it come to this? In November last year, CZ took a plea deal but admitted to a dark underbelly of operations at Binance. The charges? Facilitating money laundering on a platform that moved billions across borders with little to no oversight. The plea revealed that Binance's lack of compliance programs made it a playground for money launderers and other illicit activities, far from the transparent operation that regulators worldwide demand. Prosecutors, aiming to set a precedent in the largely unregulated world of cryptocurrencies, have asked for a prison sentence of 3 years for CZ. This tough stance highlights the growing tension between innovation in the blockchain space and the need for robust regulatory frameworks to prevent abuse. As CZ's sentencing looms, the crypto world watches with bated breath, knowing the outcome could send shockwaves through the industry. How will this trial affect global crypto regulations, and what does this mean for other crypto giants? Stay tuned as we continue to unpack the repercussions of this landmark case. Changpeng Zhao's trial isn't just a big deal for him, it's sending shockwaves across the whole crypto world. Imagine you're at the center of a storm, and that's what it feels like right now in cryptocurrency. Everyone's watching and wondering, what does this mean for the future? It's a wake-up call that no company, not even giants like Binance, can dodge the rules forever. This whole situation is a bit like a reality check. Crypto companies that used to fly under the radar are now scrambling to beef up their legal teams and make sure they're playing by the rules. They don't want to be the next ones caught in the spotlight of regulators. Investors are also getting jittery. The trial puts a spotlight on the risks, not just the rewards, of investing in crypto. Some are thinking twice, pulling back their funds, or looking for safer places to invest. This could slow down the pace of flashy new crypto projects or push the industry towards safer, more transparent operations. What's really on the line here is how the world sees and deals with cryptocurrencies. More rules might be on the way, pushing the crypto world to mature and maybe become a bit less wild but potentially more stable. Everyone in crypto is watching this closely. Will this trial force the industry to clean up its act, or will it scare off the innovators who've been pushing the boundaries? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure: it's a turning point. But let's take a step back and talk about who CZ is and why Binance is so big in the crypto world. Changpeng Zhao emerged as a pivotal figure in the cryptocurrency world with the creation of Binance in 2017. Under CZ's leadership, Binance rapidly ascended to become one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, renowned for its extensive range of available coins and its innovative trading features. CZ's journey began in the tech industry, where his early career involved developing software for trading platforms. His entrance into the cryptocurrency space was marked by his work at blockchain.info and later at OKCoin as the CTO. However, it was the founding of Binance that got him into the spotlight in the crypto industry. The platform was unique in its early adoption of various altcoins, its user-friendly interface, and low transaction fees, which quickly attracted a massive user base. Binance's initial coin offering, ICO, of its own token, Binance Coin, BNB, was a critical factor in its rapid growth, raising $15 million and solidifying the exchange's liquidity and operational funds.
Binance.com is embracing regulations all around the world.
There was a very strong need for exchange that want to operate everything properly.
We welcome anyone to look under the hood for our business. I think we run a very clean business.
Now, CZ has stepped down as CEO and pleaded guilty to criminal charges in the US. His company will also plead guilty and agree to pay fines totaling $4.3 billion.
Binance's rise was not just swift, but also expansive, as CZ led the company to broaden its services beyond mere trading. The platform ventured into areas such as blockchain tech development, crypto asset management, and more recently, into decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. This diversification helped cement Binance's position at the forefront of the crypto industry's evolution. This rapid ascent has not been without its challenges, as regulatory scrutiny increased with Binance's size and influence in the market. Yet, CZ's role as a visionary leader in the space continues to be a significant chapter in the history of cryptocurrency, illustrating the volatile yet revolutionary nature of digital finance.
Well, look, we have over $4 billion in fines on the criminal and the civil side, CFTC, Justice, and Treasury. Obviously, there's the criminal side, so he will be going to jail. The sentencing will be a bit of time. So I think law enforcement, both criminal and civil, we work together. We feel like we got the bad actor here, and it's sending.
And you think he's going to? You think he's going to jail?
Look, those are the charges. We'll obviously see what.
I know, but he's got to be in the right jurisdiction so you can take him to jail if you wanted to take him to jail.
Is that part of the problem? Is he was in a country that doesn't have an extradition treaty with the United States, so if he doesn't agree to it, it's going to be a lot harder to pin him
Look,
down.
I don't want to talk about the criminal side. We were focused on the civil side. There's a lot of issues, but I think we got to a good solution, and we're very proud of what we were able to accomplish collectively as a U.S. government. Bring this.
The crypto community is abuzz with discussions on Changpeng Zhao's recent sentencing. Influencers and everyday investors are lighting up platforms like Twitter, sharing a mix of concerns over potential stringent regulations and optimism about a cleaner, more trustworthy industry. Experts weigh in, marking this case as pivotal. Legal experts see it as setting a precedent that might lead to stricter compliance norms across the crypto landscape, echoing the broader impact seen in high-profile cases like FTX. Comparatively, while FTX collapsed amid allegations of fraud, leading to a dramatic legal showdown, CZ's case brings to light issues of regulatory oversight in operations. Financial analysts suggest that although the market is currently volatile, clearer regulations could stabilize and mature the industry. Public opinion is divided. Some applaud the push for transparency, hoping it purges the market of dubious dealings, while others fear excessive interference might stifle innovation. This case is not just a legal battle, it's seen as a significant moment that could shape the future direction of cryptocurrency, much like the fallout from FTX-shaped perceptions about the need for robust governance frameworks in crypto enterprises.
Before the sentencing, Zhao told the court that he had failed and that he was sorry. Prosecutors had accused Binance of not reporting more than 100,000 suspicious transactions with groups such as Hamas, Al-Qaeda, and ISIS. They said that Zhao deliberately looked the other way as people supported child sex abuse, illegal drug trade, and terrorism on the platform. Last November, he pleaded guilty and resigned as CEO. He also paid $50 million in fines. Binance, meanwhile, the company agreed to pay $4.3 billion in criminal penalty. Mark.
What's next for Binance and the crypto world after CZ's trial? It's a big question on everyone's mind. With CZ stepping down, Binance will need new leadership. This could be someone from inside the company who knows the ropes, or maybe an outsider who's all about following rules and keeping everything tight with regulators. Either way, Binance is likely to take things a bit slower, making sure they play by the rules to avoid any more legal troubles. This whole situation with CZ could really change the game for how crypto companies are handled by the law all over the world. If the court decides to come down hard on CZ for the money laundering stuff, it could mean new, stricter rules for all crypto businesses to prevent illegal activities. This might make things tougher for crypto companies looking to grow fast and play loose. To wrap it up, the future of crypto could see some big changes. Companies might start putting more effort into being clear and upfront about what they're doing to keep everything on the up and up. While this might slow down some of the wilder growth in the crypto world, it could also make things more stable and trustworthy, possibly attracting more serious investors. Whatever happens, CZ's sentencing is likely to start a new chapter for how crypto operates on the big stage. Thanks for diving into the depths of cryptocurrency legal battles with us. If you found this discussion insightful and want to keep up with the latest in crypto and more breaking stories, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more updates and let us know in the comments what you think about the future of Binance and the wider crypto industry. Subscribe now to not miss out on our next deep dive.